If you want a quick and easy way to keep track of your favorite websites in Windows 10, Microsoft Edge makes it simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how to save favorites in the Windows 10 Edge browser so you can come back to important pages anytime you want. This is a great trick for saving useful websites, work pages, research links, shopping pages, and anything else you visit often. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple Windows tips and browser tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your Windows 10 computer. Once the browser is open, go to the web page you want to save. This can be any page you'd like to access later. After the page loads, look at the address bar at the top of the browser. On the right side of the address bar, you'll see a star icon. That star icon is the favorites button, and it's the fastest way to save the current page. Go ahead and click the star icon. As soon as you do that, Edge will add the page to your favorites. In most cases, a small menu will appear where you can confirm the name and choose where to save it. You can keep the default name if you want, or change it to something that's easier for you to recognize later. If you want to organize your favorites, you may also be able to choose a folder. That can be really helpful if you like keeping work links, personal links, and learning resources separated. Once everything looks good, click Save, and the page will be stored in your favorites list. Now, whenever you want to revisit that website, you don't need to search for it again. You can simply open your favorites and click the saved link. This is especially useful if you visit the same websites every day and want to save time. If you don't see your save page right away, don't worry. You can open the favorites menu in Edge and check that it was added successfully. From there, you can also organize, rename, or move it into a different folder later. And that's really all there is to it. Saving favorites in Windows 10 Edge is fast, simple, and one of the easiest ways to stay organized while browsing. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss more easy Windows and Edge tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.